Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get custom sounds on Discord like this.
You were moved.
Alright, now before we start, I'd just like to do a shameless plug here. Join my Discord server, please. It's good, okay? Just join, link in bio. Alrighty, so let's get into it. Are you tired of lame old Discord sounds like this? Would you much rather replace it with something of your own? Well, I have just the thing for you here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the microphone muted sound effect with this sound from TeamSpeak.
Microphone muted.
However, you can use any sound effect and any Discord sound. So you can make it for joining and leaving and moving and everything like that. So, let's get started. So first thing that I'd like to say is that you do need to download some things, and you also need to have Discord, the app. You cannot do it on the web browser version. But anyway, let's get into it here. Here we go. We got the first two links, and we're going to grab Bandaged BD here. This is better Discord, basically, which gives us Discord plugins, which you can use to change a lot of things that normally wouldn't be customizable. I might have a tutorial in the future on how to do things like themes and other stuff like that. But anyway, you can just download it for Windows right here, and it will give you a nice exe file, which we can then open. And if this smart screen thing comes up, it's just more info, run anyway. It will not give you a virus. So then you want to click Install Bandaged BD, Install to Stable, if that's the Discord version that you have, which most likely you will, but you can also install it to these other versions, just whichever one has the white text, and if multiple have it, then probably do Stable, but then you can reinstall it for other ones if that ends up being it. Just use Stable. You should be using Stable Discord anyway, unless you have a reason not to, and press Install, and just wait. And there, once it says finished installing, you can actually hit exit, and it will launch your Discord. Now here we go. Here I am. It looks the exact same, except you might see some things here that are like loading. So now, if we come to our settings, you can see if we scroll down here that there are some Bandaged BD things like settings, emotes, plugins, themes, and custom CSS. We might get into that later, but you can probably just search it up. But the only thing that matters right now is plugins. Now we can open the plugin folder, and I'm gonna drag it over here, and we have a empty folder right here. So now we're going to come to this notification sounds link where we can download this plugin. And just wait, it might give you DDoS protection. Just wait. And here we go. This type of file can harm your computer, just hit keep. It will not harm your computer. Now you can come to the plugins folder and drag it right in. And I have notificationsounds.plugin.js. And now, as you can see, without even reloading Discord, it has appeared right here, notification sounds. So just make sure to tick this box to turn it on, and you can close this change log. And here we are. Now everything will most likely sound the same, but now we are actually able to customize it. If we just go to our user settings, and we go to Bandaged BD plugins, settings, now we can add things. So, to change something, go to implemented sounds, and here we go. New chat message, and direct message, and mention role, mentioned at everyone, a bunch of things. And there's also a couple of unimplemented sounds that you might want to change as well. But, first you have to add a song before you can do anything. Although you can just swap them around for default Discord ones. Although we are going to add our custom ones here. So let's call it, we have to make a category, so I'm going to call it TeamSpeak because it's TeamSpeak sounds, and then you need a name. So let's just call it microphone muted. And then hit browse file, and you can look for your file. I personally have all of the TeamSpeak sounds that I've dumped into this folder right here. And mic muted right here. We can open it up, and then hit save when you're done. Song microphone muted was added to category TeamSpeak. Now you can come to implemented sounds, scroll down to voice chat mute, which is going to be the microphone muted, and pick TeamSpeak, microphone muted, and it'll play you the song right there, as you can see. And now we can close it and join a channel. And then I'm going to mute my microphone.
Microphone muted.
You can hear it'll play the sound effect. Although when we turn our microphone back on, it doesn't play a sound effect because we haven't specified one yet.
Microphone muted.
Very nice. So now I'm going to customize everything, and we'll be right back. So now, when we join a channel,
user joined your channel.
When we leave a channel,
disconnected. User joined
we can mute our sound and
sound muted. Sound resumed.
Resume it and
microphone muted. Microphone activated.
I don't know why. I personally love it.
Disconnected.
And I hope you guys do too. You can change your ringtone to the Skype ringtone, whatever you want. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please join my Discord. See you guys later. Bye!